2023年5月9日，美国纽约市教育局长在政策记者会上这样说
Phonemic awareness, which is really about being able to hear the sounds and words. Phonics, being able to match those sounds to letters. Vocabulary, essentially knowing what the words mean. Fluency, you develop over time, being able to read accurately and quickly. Your brain can process information very quickly. And ultimately, comprehension, making meaning of sentences and extended text. This is the framework of what a solid reading foundation actually looks like. It's not just phonics. It's not just phonics. It is a very comprehensive approach. But phonics and phonemic awareness are the bedrock of that. It has been missing in far too many of our schools, and we're going to fix that.